Hi everyone, this is Ryan from Zoom, and in this video we will go over updating the firmware on your G6 Multi-FX processor. You can check your current firmware version as the G6 powers on. For the most current firmware version, go to zoomcorp.com and download the G6 firmware zip file. Navigate to the Support and Download section in the top right of the page, then type G6 in the search bar and select it. You will see the newest firmware download available in the Software section of the page. Click the link to download the zip file. Unzip this file, and in this folder, you will find a file labeled g6.zuf. This file will be needed to update your G6. Connect an SD card to your computer and move only the file labeled g6.zuf to the card. Disconnect the SD card from your computer, and with the G6 powered off, insert it into the G6's SD card slot. While pressing and holding foot switches 1 and 2, power on the G6. Press and hold the 2 foot switches until Starting is displayed on the screen. Next, press the Tap foot switch to confirm the firmware update. Please note, do not power off or remove the SD card during a firmware update. Doing so could cause the G6 to become unresponsive. After the firmware update completes, turn off the G6. Your G6 is now up to date. For more information and product updates, please go to zoomcorp.com.